What's good, folks? My name is Matthew, and I hope you had a very successful previous week. And let's do another weekly forecast. So, I've just wanted to say that I wasn't that right as I thought the last week, and honestly, I don't know what happened. And right now, being completely honest, when I look at these charts, I don't really know, how deep price can retrace. But the only thing we can do is, I guess, mark the very obvious spots of liquidity, which are on the ES, this double bottom. This is the draw on the liquidity for the next week for me, personally. It's just 67 points, so it's nothing it's not that big move, honestly. Price can do it on the Monday. Yeah, and from the monthly, honestly, I don't even see where price can go. So on the weekly, there we mark the double bottom, and on the NQ, honestly, I don't see anything special. The only thing I like for bullishness is this, how price respected the old low. That's like the only thing. But honestly, I think we are gonna go lower this week. So yeah, let me go on the daily time frame. Maybe it's going to be more clear in there. Yeah, probably not. So let me just mark out the most obvious liquidity pools. And honestly, I don't know. Maybe what we can see is that price is going to sweep this double bottom, eventually tap this daily BC on ES, and there's going to be S&T at the lows, and there might be some potential long opportunity, because as we can see, NQ is stronger than ES, so it would be reasonable to have some sort of bullish S&T in there. I guess NQ can sweep this low, tap this untouched, or tap this untapped BC, and this might be low of the week. And honestly, it's 400 points, which is basically a very small range. Or maybe on Tuesday we can see the low of the week and then hopefully gravitate higher. That will be reasonable. Or price can easily reverse in there, tap this. This is a propulsion block, this one, and then we can continue lower and then higher. But I think we are going to we are going to take these double O's. So that's a very obvious scenario. Alright, let me clean up those charts a little bit. When I'm going to go on the lower time frame, there we can see some sort of H4 CB on both charts, which is that CB is pretty clean, mainly on ES. And from the hourly time frame, yeah, honestly, this doesn't look that price is going to, right now reverse to that CB and going lower. But obviously anything can happen, but it's not that possible, or it's not that probable, I would say. And yeah, I think we are going to gravitate lower. So I assume I'm going to look mainly for short opportunities this week. And also I suggest you to join my trading Discord, where I share my trade recaps, I share my daily reviews, and I do every second day I do calls, basically pre-market analysis, and I try to share as much insights as I can. And yeah, the last week for me, it was pretty successful. I took 3 trades, and 2 of them were winners, which was fine. I feel right now I'm getting more comfortable with myself and with the price, and I feel like I found something which suits me. And my main goal this year is to simplify and refine my edge as much as possible, so my psychology can be static, so I don't have any big problems with it, you know what I mean by that. And that is mostly it. And as I said in the previous forecast, my biggest changes in my strategy are that I'm targeting 1 to 2 fixed. So that is something very cool for me, because I don't have to focus, on risk to reward, what to target, where to take partial, etc. So I find this very beneficial for me and my psyche. Another thing, the trail of the stop loss. I have very strict rules to trail the stop loss, and as I said, I'm going to trail a stop loss where price is extremely close to drawn liquidity, or there's an opposing S&T against me. So only 2 scenarios like this. And this year I'm also emphasize the fair value gaps and liquidity, since those are only 2 PDRAs you actually need, in my opinion. And yeah, I guess this is it. Obviously I'm sharing more updated details within my Discord, so if you didn't join yet, I really recommend you to do so, because it can change a lot, depends on the open. So I'm looking forward to see you there and communicate with you about the price, and eventually we can share some thoughts, and I'll try to help you as much as possible. So let me do a very short recap. I expect lower prices in the beginning of the week, and later on we can see maybe some bullishness, but I'll keep you posted in my Discord. And yeah, this is it. Very short, very straight to the point video. And if you found it insightful and you see the weekly forecast same as me, let me know in the comments. Feel free to subscribe me and like me. It will support me tremendously, and I will appreciate it a lot. I really mean it. I will really appreciate it. And very soon I would love to create some educational videos, for example for PDRAs, or how I do my pre-market analysis, how do I journal, and all this stuff. And let me know if you will find it insightful and if you'll be interested, alright? And I'll see you in my Discord, and if you are not going to join to my Discord, we are going to see each other next Sunday. So take it easy, have a very successful and great trading week ahead, and much love. Take it easy. Bye bye.